first of all, welcome to IMO.
Thank you.
And आज ऐसी इमोशनल फिल्म का डेब्यू करना कोइंसिडेंस था या डेस्टिनी?
कोइंसिडेंस तो नहीं बोलूँगी मैं. I think many factors are into it. Whether if you say destiny or being in the right time, right place, like we say. So I feel uh, the struggle, the efforts that we as an actor that we put every day leads us to to the right time and right place. So I think that's how it happened. And yes, of course, destiny though. So hey, I do believe in destiny.
जब अजय देवगन से डबिंग स्टूडियो से बात हुई तो क्या रिएक्शन?
Oh my god, that day I'm like it's still fresh in my mind because I was so new and I was figuring out कि कैसे क्या होता है वगैरह and all. Like I didn't know where to go, whom to approach, and I was damn nervous seeing him. And I remember his security, his bodyguard or somebody who was with him. He saw, maybe he realized that I want to talk to him, and he said, "If you want, you can wait." And I was like, "Okay." And I, after waiting for half an hour or so, then when he walked out of the dubbing studio, I was really nervous. I was really scared कि पता नहीं photo देंगे या नहीं देंगे. It should be it's a right place to approach him or not. There were too many confusions, and how a person would feel like when you see him like Ajay Devgan saw first time. But then I gathered all my guts. I'm like, यार अभी आ गए तो कुछ हुआ नहीं तो एटलीस्ट फोटो खींच के लेके जाओ, पता नहीं कल को क्या होगा, who knows. And I was like, chalo, with that nervousness, I did gathered all my guts and just approached him for a picture.
अपने होम टाउन आसाम से मुंबई तक का सफर सबसे टफ पार्ट क्या था आपके लिए?
um Tough part, I think I would say दो चीज़ें. एक तो to convince my family because I was into corporate. I did my MBA in finance, and MBA in finance के बाद suddenly shifting to a totally different career where you do not have anybody like to guide you or any friend to also suggest you कि यहाँ जा वहाँ जा, like in a new city. That was that was a I can say it was very very tough for me, like to take that decision कि कैसे करना है, because I knew I have to do it alone and I didn't know where I'm gonna lead. And second part was obviously because my family, my sisters, they are from an academic background, so they were really scared, कि पता नहीं क्या होगा कहाँ, whether I'll be in the right place or not, meeting the right people or not. So convincing them to have faith in me was also a very tough thing in my life.
कॉल मी वे
हाँ.
मैं आप अनन्या पांडे के साथ थी, तो क्या आपको लगता है कि स्टार किड्स को ओटीटी पर भी अनफेयर एडवांटेज मिलता है?
I would say what is fair and unfair. I feel everybody, like at the starting you asked me whether destiny works. I think destiny works. It's their own struggle, it's their own effort. I'm sure उनकी भी अपनी खुद की struggle रहेगी. मैं तो उनको जानती नहीं हूँ, पता नहीं उनके लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है to get that project. So I don't think so I have the right to comment on that whether it's fair or unfair. I just see कि my life is fair and whatever efforts and hard work I put into it, it's justified.
अजय देवगन और काजोल के साथ काम करना एक ड्रीम हुआ, लेकिन सेट पे कोई पावर इम्बैलेंस फील हुआ? कभी लगा कि न्यू कमर होने की वजह से आपको कम इम्पोर्टेंस मिल रहा है?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Like I have been telling this to everybody whom I have met. Like I think this being my first debut film, and I think I shot for almost 35-37 days, and it has been such a experience for me. Like because your first always matters a lot. So my first film, and with such a huge production house and with such experienced people, I have never felt anything that have put me into stress or anything. They were so nice, starting from director Vishal sir till Kajol ma'am, Ajay sir, or any of my co-actors who have been there for more than a decade. But it was a lovely environment. Even with the production house people, like everybody was good. I feel lucky that way that I got to work with such amazing people. and I had really had a very good time.
क्या आपको लगता है कि टीवी एक्टर को फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में सीरियसली नहीं लिया जाता है? आपने बड़े अच्छे किया हुआ है, तो मतलब आपका करियर में इस वजह से कोई दूरियां क्रिएट हुई हैं आपको?
I feel you should just leave it to destiny and God. You just need to keep doing things for yourself, and where you want to see yourself or where what you want to achieve, just keep striving for it and things will happen.
जब आप अजय देवगन के साथ पहली बार डबिंग स्टूडियो में बाहर मिली थी, उस मोमेंट ने आपकी परसेप्शन बदली या कंफर्म कि बॉलीवुड में कैसे लोग होते हैं?
इतना सब कुछ तो मैंने सोचा नहीं था पहली बार मिली थी। मैं बस यही सोच रही थी कि आज तो मैं स्टूडियो के बाहर हूँ बस, एंड दिस आई डोंट नो हाउ थिंग्स वुड बी अहेड फ्रॉम हियर, बट मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि कल को कभी ना कभी आई गेट टू वर्क विद हिम or with such legends like in the industry. But yeah, I it was the way he allowed me